Good day, everyone. My name is Rainer F. Areje, and today I will be presenting to you my research entitled Multi-Purpose Cookery Cart, Its Technical and Vocational Value. By the way, I am from Carlos Silado Memorial State College in Talisay City, Negros Occidental. To begin with, let us begin with the introduction. A cart turned into a mobile kitchen allow one to have better control and more flexibility. The dynamics of a cart of analyzing best location, trying new recipes, modifying parts, and menus can be a lot easier. Chris Morio, 2019, made mention that there is a tremendous new classroom backlogs in DepEd that original targets being set every year for construction to address K-12 demands of continuous growing enrollment are not met due to a number of factors like limited funds. Along with this classroom shortage, it also impacts adversely other school facilities like cooking laboratories wherein most performance tasks in technology and livelihood education or TLE are taking place and thus optimum learning are not met. With this reality, there's a need that a cart will be used as a substitute for this deficiency of cooking laboratories and therefore attain the competencies required. Introducing both the mobility of the cart and cookery as a discipline into an instructional material can bring about new educational experience to the students in a new level. Objectives of the study. The main objective of the study was to fabricate a multi-purpose cookery cart. Specifically, the study aims to number 1, develop a multi-purpose cookery cart. Number 2, to determine the technical features of the multi-purpose cookery cart in terms of durability, performance, serviceability, and portability. Number 3, determine the instructional value of the multi-purpose cookery cart in terms of knowledge development, skills development, and attitude development. And lastly, number 4, develop a user's manual for the multi-purpose cookery cart. For materials and methods. Research design. The design and evaluation of the multi-purpose cookery cart adopted the developmental and descriptive methods of research. The respondents of the study were the 15 TLE teachers with Cookery in situ. To gather the data on instruction and technical value, a researcher-made questionnaire was formulated and passed validity and reliability testing. Mean and standard deviation were used as statistical tools. Design plan, preparation, and fabrication. The cart measures 1,750 millimeter in height, 1,200 millimeter in length, and 400 millimeter in width at its dimension. The total cost of the cart, considering its materials, labor costs, and miscellaneous expenses, is roughly 23,840 pesos. For the results and discussion, the first objective of the study was to develop a multi-purpose cookery cart. Its development was based on its specifications set in its plans, and it has four main parts, namely the working table with two wing extensions, wherein cooking activities are taking place, the drawer and cabinets where tools and equipment are kept, adjustable mirror placed on top of the cart for students to witness the cooking activity, and the bulletin board to post important notes or topics related to the cooking activity. The second objective of the study was to determine the technical value in terms of durability, performance, revisability, and portability. As shown in Table 4, the overall mean score of the multi-purpose cookery cart in terms of its technical value is 4.21, interpreted as high. Among the different aspects of technical value, durability has the highest mean score of 4.41, interpreted as high, followed by serviceability with a mean score of 4.2, interpreted as high. Meanwhile, the technical value aspect of the multipurpose cookery cart on portability garnered a mean score of 4.16, interpreted as high, followed by performance with a mean score of 4.08, interpreted as high. This implies that multipurpose cookery cart is constructed durably and that it can last with long usage without breaking. It is because of the primary material used in making the cart is quality material which is naturally durable compared to conventional materials like wood. Additionally, the cart can be serviced or fixed the moment some part of the cart will be broken. Meanwhile, the cart has some limitations in terms of its portability, which can be contributed by materials used which are heavy, making its transport a challenge. Likewise, due to its portability issue, its performance to deliver its organic functions is also affected and needs to be revisited to have this corrected. The third objective of the study was to determine the educational value of the cookery cart in terms of knowledge development, skills development, and attitude development. As shown in Table 10, it reflects the summary of the mean scores of the multipurpose cookery cart, which is 4.24 interpreted as high. The area of knowledge value garnered the highest mean score of 4.6, with a standard deviation of 0.3346, interpreted as very high, and followed by attitude value with a mean score of 4.36, interpreted as high. Meanwhile, the least mean score of 4.17, interpreted as high, is on its technical value of multipurpose cookery cart. This implies that the multipurpose cookery cart is a potent learning material for students to achieve competencies along knowledge development. This can be contributed to the cart's various features, which encourages a real-life experience of preparing and cooking food, and with the addition of a bulletin board, which further reinforces learning. Likewise, attitude or affective domain of learning is also reinforced with developing proper work habits and techniques during the various cooking activities. On the other hand, the area of skill development of the cart has to be evaluated to address its limitation. The fourth objective of the study was to develop a user manual for the multipurpose cookery cart. This is developed to guide the user on the cart specifications, proper use, and this will ensure safety. For the, for the conclusion, the design of the multipurpose cookery cart is based accurately on the specifications of the drawing plan or blueprint. The technical value of multipurpose cart is well established, most especially its durability and serviceability aspects. But the cart's technical value on portability and performance need to be looked into for further improvement. The multipurpose cookery cart instructional value is likewise has proven its worth, highlighting the cart's value towards knowledge and attitude acquisition. But the cart's provision in enhancing students' cookery skills needs to be revisited to further improve this technical aspect. A user manual for the multipurpose cart serves as guide for end users to maximize the use of the cooking cart, maintain its good working condition, and prevent them from getting accidents or injury. For the recommendations, based on the findings and conclusion of the study, the following were recommended. Cookery teachers may use multiple purpose cookery cart for their convenience and efficiency during their cooking classes. This will save both space and effort in organizing their cabinets and boxes. Cookery students may likewise use the multi-purpose cookery cart for them to develop their knowledge, skills, and attitude in cookery. School admin and heads may consider the cart as to enhance learning, teaching and learning situation in their respective schools. Metal furniture manufacturers may benefit by developing carts intended to be used similar to the cooking cart for cooking and other functionalities. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the appearance of the multi-purpose cookery cart being adjudged by 15 or some of the experts which are cookery teachers with NC2 certification. And for the references, thank you and happy cooking.